All right, checking out the newest drone I just bought. I'm really stoked about this one. This one has a lot of features that other drones don't have at this price point. So when we open up the pouch that it comes in, it's like a soft-sided hard case. And when we open it up, we're going to see the instructions right away. The charging cable for the batteries, which is handy to have. It's USB-C. And then we've got some extra props. We've got some tools. It looks like we have an SD card reader. And we've got some extra hardware. Looks like we have a spare battery here. We've got the drone itself with the gimbal for the camera. Look at that camera. And then we've got a battery in there already. It's easy to open up. We'll open up the front arms first. Back arms second. Got a power button up top here. When you turn it on, you're going to get that recognition. And the best part about this one is it comes along with this controller that has the screen right away. Real easy on and off. Comes right into a welcome screen. It's connecting with the drone that quickly. How fast is that? And now we've got the camera right there on the screen. No phone needed. Very cool. It's a little late here to be flying, so I won't fly it in this video. But as you can see, you get a competent drone with a great camera. You get immediate connection with a controller that has the screen built in. Looking forward to using this one. Hope it helps.